So this is what I have to deal with, guys. This is what I'm dealing with every single day with these beautiful parrots. Beautiful parrots that are totally infatuated with my apples every day. Beautiful, huh? So it looks like I'm gonna have to put netting on my apple trees. These two apples. Because they're a little tired of my neighbor's apples, and they want to try mine now. They're bored, just like little children. Just like little children, they're bored. Yep. So what do you think? What do you guys think? You think I should give them all my apples, or I'm not? What do you think I should do with these little critters? Look at that. Look at this. And they've already had hundreds of apples from my neighbors' apple trees. I mean, I've still got hundreds here, but by the rate that they're going, it's a total disaster, like locusts. Look at this. Look what they've done to my neighbor's apples. Where is it? Where are they? There you are, down here, hang on. There. Right there. Look at that. So it's not enough that they've had all these apples, right? That's not enough. All these apples and all those apples. Right? Hang on, this trellis is in the way. There, look at that. So 4 apple trees. It's like a smorgasbord. Anyway, I was hoping to not put a net up for another couple of weeks. Look at this on the ground. They're playing with the apples and the apples are falling. So guys, this is part of gardening. Unless you don't care, like my neighbor. My neighbor doesn't care at all. He never has a single apple. He only grows them for, well, I don't even know why. I was gonna say for fun, but it's not fun for me when this happens. See that? Is that fun? Does that look like fun? Alright guys, just a heads up on every side of gardening, not just the fun side. Alright, thanks for watching. See you from the next video.